number one person where time you walk him, we got him enough kai lo garden lo you. This the number one person lo walk him garden also. Time you harvest him or you come out him on la kai lo garden, you must plant him back in 1 pla or 2 pla seed or picking in niblo this la one kind kai where you kiss him long. One kind you look him you kiss him on la sugar cane lo garden. But me gonna plan him can 2 pla blow this pla go down the ground can. Time you walk him was but you got him enough kai. Lo feed him yet my family blow you. Me kat him sugar cane go lo 4 pla happiness. 2 pla bagolo 1 pla hole. 2 pla bagolo 1 pla hole. All me pla digging penis. So ba me stretch him soon. Plan him can 2 pla. Half sugar cane go inside long em. Tapi plan him come up with 2 pla half sugar cane. So one kind, time you harvesting banana, you must plant in 1 pla seed or 2 pla sakas blue banana, popo or bean or one something you plant, you must also plant him 1 pla blongam go, picking any blongam go na bien by gatin up kai. Thank you.